Are you ready to unlock amazing rewards on MEXC? In today's video, I'm sharing the ultimate MEXC referral code, 12K4M5. This code gives you access to exclusive bonuses and a head start on one of the most popular cryptocurrency exchanges out there. Using the MEXC referral code, 12K4M5 is the easiest way to get started with MEXC. All you need to do is click the top link in the video description, and the code 12K4M5 will be automatically applied when you sign up. Benefits and rewards. Now, let's talk about what you'll get with this code. By using the referral code 12K4M5, you can unlock up to $1,000 in bonuses, including trading rewards, deposit bonuses, and more. This is a limited time offer, so make sure you don't miss out. Step-by-step sign-up guide. Signing up with this code is super simple. Just click the link below, and you'll be taken to the MEXC registration page. Enter your email or mobile number, create a password, and complete the security verification. The most important step is ensuring the referral code 12K4M5 is applied. It should be automatically filled in, but if not, just copy and paste 12K4M5 into the referral code section to ensure you get all the bonuses. Before we continue, I want to remind you that this video is not financial advice. Cryptocurrency trading can be risky, so always do your own research and make sure you're comfortable with the risks involved. MEXC is a leading crypto exchange with a wide range of features, including spot trading, futures trading, and access to new cryptocurrency listings. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader, MEXC offers high leverage options and advanced trading tools to help you maximize your strategies. Just remember, trading with leverage can be risky, so proceed with caution. So, what are you waiting for? Click the top link in the description, use the code 12K4M5, and start your MEXC journey with up to $1,000 in bonuses. It's a fantastic way to begin trading on one of the most popular exchanges out there. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on the latest tips and tricks to enhance your trading experience. See you in the next video.